A very common feature that's missing from Windows is the ability to output from two media devices at the same time. My name is Abdullah, you're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video we're going to fix that. Now, a lot of people recommend sending output via two different mediums via a sound mixer that comes in the sound properties that you check. But that thing is actually dependent on hardware, and it mostly only works if you have Realtek hardware with you. So to counter that, we are going to use VB Audio's voice meter. So you will find the page link for this page in the description below. All you have to do is get on there and click on this download button. Once the zip file has been downloaded, it will appear something like this. You extract it into this folder and you will get the voice meter setup. From this point onwards, you can run the setup, give it the permissions it needs, and as you can see, it's already installed on my PC. So that's why there's a remove button, but you should see an install button here. Once this is installed, you're going to have to restart your PC, and that's when these steps begin. So once you've restarted your PC and installed voice meter, just press Windows key plus I to open up Windows settings. Head over to system and then click on sound. In here you will see a bunch of sound devices and a bunch of audio devices as well. Ignore all of them. Go all the way down to more sound settings. Now in this window, find the voice meter main input. So the voice meter input, and make sure that it's selected as the default device. Usually the speakers through my monitor would be the default device. So in this case, I want to find my voice meter input and I'm going to set this as my default device. Once you're done with that, click OK. You can also do this here in this list. You can just select whatever device you want. Doing it through the old dialog box is just a little bit easier and clearer. Once you're done with this, go ahead and fire up voice meter. Now wait for your hardware engine to start. And in here you can select your two devices. So I want the audio to come out from both my speakers and my laptop speakers. To do this, click on A1 and select your primary device. In my case, my primary device are my system speakers. So I will select WDM and then select my system speakers. And then A2 would be the device that you want to mirror the sound in. So go ahead. You can select either your speakers or your headphones, whatever you prefer. I want it to be my laptop speakers, which is this one. So once both of these are selected, now you can go ahead and play audio and it will come out from both of your devices. Do keep in mind that there are slight problems in this. You need this program to be running for the audio to work, otherwise you will just have no audio. And if at any point you want to close the program and switch back to whatever your primary audio source was, simply go to sound settings and then select whatever was your primary speaker. I have my system speakers here and my voice meter input here. So when I want to send audio to two devices, I use the voice meter input, and when I just want it working as normal, I come back and I select the system speakers option. And that's how easily you can send audio to two devices in Windows 11. If you like this video, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon, and tell us in the comments below what more such videos can we make for you. If you'd like to know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology. Follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video.